Hi everyone, Habib here. In this video I'm going to share with you this double joystick airplane controller. You have this left joystick. It is a throttle joystick. The behavior of the joystick is different with this one. This one you can increase the throttle of the airplane like this, and you can take off by using the right joystick, and you can fly it this way. For the yaw, you can use the left joystick. You can also change the parameters, the speed of the airplane, the sensitivity. Check out this quad touch canvas. You have this joystick 1, the left one is the joystick 1. It has this grip, RC throttle, and the right joystick is this one, joystick 2. The settings of the airplane is here in this object, RC toy. It has the rate 40 and yaw rate 4. The yaw rate is this one, the left joystick. You can increase it to 10. It will yaw faster. Increase the throttle and fly again. This airplane controller is more simpler than the one that I have made previously on my channel. You can land the airplane easily and correctly. Previously I did make an airplane controller, but it has problem with landing, but this one is better, and it is free. You can get it from the link below. Okay guys, thank you, see you next time.